G'day folks, it's Ricko here. Now look, I recently upgraded my driving lights to a set of Narva Ultima 215s and they have been incredible to drive behind. However, what it has done, it's highlighted just how bad the factory halogen headlights are. So I know that it's time for an upgrade. I can't drive behind those yellow lights anymore. So I'm going to give these a crack. These are some LED globes from Narva. They're called the Performance LED globes. They're supposed to be a plug and play fit. I picked them up at my local Auto One and I'm keen to give them a crack and see if they're much of an improvement over those factory shockers. Of course, the first step in any headlight upgrade is to remove the existing lights, and on the GU it's simply a case of undoing the plug, taking out the little retaining ring that's in there, that's that one, and of course the little rubber seal that keeps the dust out of the headlight itself. Once you've done those, you can undo the clip and then remove the old halogen globes, and I'm happy to see the back of those. Check these out. These are the new Narva Performance LED globes that are going in there. The size of the heatsink, that's important, and it is true plug and play. All you need to do is simply plug this one into your existing headlight socket. First we need to put the collar in and then do the clip up, and then all you've got to do is push the globe home. Simple as that. Plug it in and guess what? The job is done. All you need to do is repeat the job on the other side. It is that simple. It didn't take too long at all. Let's have a look. Yep, perfect bright white light. That's exactly what we're chasing. Have a look at this. This is the original halogen globes. Here's the LED globes. What a difference. Chalk and cheese, folks. I've got to tell you, I'm stoked with the performance of these new globes. They're bright, they're white, it's a nice even light. You can't ask for much more than that from a headlight. And going back from high beam with the spotties to your normal low beam, it's not the pain that it used to be, that's for sure. Now, your local Auto One has heaps of options when it comes to headlight globe upgrades. Go check out the Narva range for yourself.